Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with a new pre-order. I just pre-ordered a couple items and I wanted to share them with you. The first is this So Sincere stamp set. This is a red rubber stamp set, and I love the sentiments that are in this set. The next set, this is a lot of fun. This is the Festive and Fun stamp set. This is a red rubber stamp set as well. And I absolutely love these little animals. They're so cute, perfect for coloring in with your blends. The next is the Merriest Trees bundle. So this is a photopolymer stamp set. And you can, as you can see, you can decorate the trees. And for the dies, I already flipped them over so you guys could see easily. They have the trees you can layer, so you can stamp and then make them as small or as big as you want. And then they have the ornaments and the decorations for the tree, as well as the base for the tree and some stars. So I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun building with that stamp set, and it comes with a nice big tag as tag die as well. Next, which this is probably my favorite because I absolutely love owls. This is the Winter Owls bundle. This is a red rubber stamp set. And I love that the owls are not as cutesy. They're very pretty. And then for the dies, I love these dies as well. I love that you have the big tree trunk that you can have the die coming out of. And then obviously this cuts out your owls, and then this really pretty die cut owl as well. And you have your tree branch. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that bundle. I think that's definitely my favorite one out of the new catalog. And then we have, you know, we have the deckled rectangle dies, which I love and I use all the time. In the mini catalog, they came out with deckled circles. And these are great. I mean, you have a huge array of circles. It comes with 14 in all different sizes. So I definitely am gonna see myself using that a lot. I love the deckled edge. The Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder. This is really pretty. If I can get it open, I want to show you guys what it looks like. But I'm struggling. There we go. All right, let me get a piece of cardstock that I have over here and show you guys what it looks like. So if you guys can see that. It's very pretty. And then next I purchased a few embellishments. So we have the adhesive back glitter sequins. These are really pretty. The blooming pearls. Those are very pretty as well. And then the faceted gems trio pack. I love all the glittery gems they have this time. I purchased 2 paper packs that I wanted to share with you. The first one is the Joy of Christmas 12 by 12 designer series paper. Let me just open this up. And we'll go through both sides of the paper. So we have this side and then this side, which is like a wood. I can definitely see using that with the owls. Then we have this gingham. And then these, oh no, those got stuck together. It always happens to me. These gingham. And then this wood. And we have these holly and berries. And then these musical notes. And we have these leaves. And this pretty red design. Then we have this red gingham. and more musical notes. And this pretty holly paper. And then on the back of that is this pretty green paper. So that's a really nice Christmas paper pack. Then the next paper pack is the Merry Bold and Bright 12 by 12 Designer Series paper pack. Let me open this one up for you. This has some fun bold patterns. So we have these Christmas lights. And then on the back we have these polka dots. And we have some more Christmas lights. And on the back some fun stripes. And we have some more colored polka dots. These are just bright, fun colors. And on the back, I really love that. It says, fa la 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 la. That's really cute. And then we have some fun, bright stripes. And on the back of that, we have some gold stars. And we have some more polka dots. And on the back of that is, so it looks like some Christmas trees. And now we have some more fun stripes. And on the back of that, we have some more Christmas trees. So I really like the fun designs that come with that paper pack. I also received all of my customer catalogs, so I'm super excited to get those out into the mail to you guys. And you can start placing your orders on September 6th. I did order a few items prior to pre-order, and I just wanted to share those with you as well, since I haven't gotten to yet. The Beauty of the Deep bundle. This is a red rubber stamp set. I love the detailed coral on this. And then the dies have a very detailed coral as well, which is really pretty. Then the Trucking Along bundle, which a lot of you guys have seen already. The punch is on back order until October. I've made some cards with it yet, but I haven't used the punch yet. So you can definitely do a lot with this stamp set without the punch. And this is a photopolymer stamp set. Mine's a mess already because I've been using it. And then you have your truck punch bundle, which you can build a truck from, or you can cut out the pre-stamped truck. So I haven't used that yet, but I will. Next, we have our Little Monkey bundle. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. Very cute, and this comes with a punch. The same thing, you can punch out and build a monkey, or you can punch out the monkey that comes with this. Then I just got the dies for this, but the Countryside Corners dies. It does come with a stamp set and as a bundle as well, but I just purchased the dies. I really liked them, and I've already used those. The Just My Type stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. I've used this already to make a couple cards with. The Little Dreamers bundle. This is a red, oops, I already used that big stamp. This is a red rubber stamp set, and the dies are so cute. I mean, this stamp set is absolutely adorable, but these little dies are so cute. They cut out all the animals, and then they also cut out some stars and clouds, and these cut out like background stars. They're really cute, and you have a little moon. And then the Textured Floral bundle, which I did just make a card with the other day that I posted. So this is a photopolymer stamp set. And this comes with some dies as well. Mine are a little jumbled because I had just used them last weekend, but very pretty like floral dies that come with it. I really like those. And then lastly, the what is this called? The Wavy Trim ribbon, or I guess it's just trim, it's not ribbon, but I wanted to get this to use with the Beauty of the Deep bundle. Let me see if I can find the start of this. I think it's right there. I just want to show you guys how pretty that is. So very excited to use that. And that's all the recent orders that I got. I just wanted to share with you guys the new products so you could see them. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And I hope to get back to making some card videos soon. I haven't done that in quite a while. There's just been a lot going on. So I'm hoping to get back to that starting in September. So just keep your eye out. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you will be alerted when those videos do start coming out again. And thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend.